Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about creation and execution of programs, part of Programming in Java course. Creating and executing a program in Java typically involves the following steps. Writing the Java code for the program using a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE such as Eclipse or IntelliJ IDE. The code must conform to the syntax of the Java programming language and should be saved with a .java file extension. Use the Java compiler, Java.C, to convert the code into bytecode, which is a platform-independent format that can be executed by Java Virtual Machine. The compiler will check the code for syntax errors and generate errors if any are found. Use the Java interpreter, Java, to execute the bytecode on the JVM. The interpreter will load the bytecode and execute it, making calls to the underlying operating system as needed to perform input and output operations and other tasks. And use the appropriate tools, example, built-in debugging features of the IDE print statements to find and fix any errors that occur during execution. It is worth noting that with the popularity of Java, the IDEs like Eclipse and IntelliJ provides an easy way to write, compile, and run the program with a single click. They also provide other features like debugging, testing, and version control integration. Here is an example of a simple Java program that prints Hello World to the console. The code is saved in a file named helloworld.java. The code is written using a text editor or an IDE and saved as helloworld.java. To compile the code, you can use the Java compiler, Java.C from the command line. Open the command prompt and navigate to the directory where the Hello World Java file is saved. Then type the following command. This will create a new file named helloworld.class in the same directory which contains the bytecode version of the program. Run the program. To run the program, use the Java interpreter, Java from the command line. Type the following command. This will start the JVM and run the bytecode in the helloworld.class file, and the program will print hello world to the console. In case of any errors, you can use the built-in debugging features of the IDE or print statements to debug the program. It is also worth noting that modern IDEs like Eclipse and IntelliJ provide an easy way to write, compile, and run the program with a single click. They also provide other features like debugging, testing, and version control integration. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.